Okay, welcome back. So today I'm making a coat hanger for my daughter. Wife's been wanting me to make something like this for a long time. She went to the dollar store and bought a cheesy one, so I actually took the pegs off of it and just sanded them down and restained them. And then I put two three-dimensional images on this, just real small. And then I did V-carve text, raised text on her name, and it came out really good. I decided after I got the name and the images on there that I wanted to actually plane it down so that the three-dimensional images were lifted off. So I just ran a pocket toolpath for everything around the three-dimensional images and her name, and it came out really good. I did have one of the holes break because I had left little slots around each hole. You'll see how there's two parts of the board that stayed its original height: the top of the letters and the half of an inch around each hole where the pegs for the coat hangers go in. And when I was hammering them in, I guess I didn't get the holes exactly perfect, or they were a little too snug. And when I tapped it down with the rubber mallet, it broke off one of the, I don't know, whatever you call it, the little raised surface around the hole. And it's no big deal. You can't even notice it. I just put a little bit of stain on it, and you can't even tell. And it's on the top, so even better yet. But it came out good. I was happy with it, and more importantly, so was the wife. Anyways, we'll hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys watching. This one came out a little bit longer than normal because there was quite a bit of extra work to do on this with the sanding. And then for sanding the little pegs, I just pulled out the lathe and stuck them on the lathe and sanded them. It was easier than doing it by hand. So, anyways, well, thank you. I'll be back at the end. Okay, so I can better explain this to you on what broke. If you look, you see how I'm profiling around each hole, leaving the material its original thickness. Half of one of those borders broke when I was using the rubber mallet to tap in the pegs. Well, I was actually more than tapping, I was more hammering. But anyways, it's no big deal. I just thought I'd point it out since I think I did a pretty poor job explaining it earlier. Anyways, okay, thanks. Okay, well that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. It came out really good. I was super happy with it, and so was my daughter, and more importantly, so was the wife. So I want to earn some brownie points on this one. And well, again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hope you have a great day. Till the next video. I'm out.